Today we are in Salina, Texas in Mosaic, and we're gonna get into this house right behind me. This is a 4,700 square foot home, 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 3 half baths, has 2 patios, has 2 master suites. This is Plan 608 by Highland Homes, and this is available in 8 different communities all across DFW. So I'm excited to show this one. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna go find Patrice and get in this guy. All right, now as we step on in, look at this, I love that. Is that like a barrel ceiling up
Way
there?
above us, yeah, it is a barrel ceiling.
And then look at these light fixtures and everything. This is just a real wow entryway.
I do love those light fixtures. I think they're really cool.
Now, what would you do with this area?
Well, usually, I mean, in all the models that we've seen, they just put like a big table and a vase. Some have like a table and a nice chair. I don't know who's sitting there, but you know.
This house is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to kind of show you. It's double of everything. 2 master suites, or primary, sorry, and 2 patios. Look at this. Look at this office, really good size, and then you've got these built-ins already, and we're talking high class. Love the floating shelves.
This is a huge office.
Yeah, it's a good, perfect size. I mean, this is a big house. It's 4723 square feet.
And they have wasted no space in
No
here.
space. And then you've got this linen closet.
Nice, okay.
Then right here is one of the bedrooms downstairs. You've got a walk-in closet. Look how oversized this
It really
is.
is. Let me see this closet. Okay, good, decent size. Not huge, but not small by any means.
And then you have its ensuite right here with, and it's not like the cheap, you know, a lot of times in some of these secondary bedrooms, they've kind of put in the cheap cabinetry, but not in this guy.
No, they don't. And obviously they took the tile all the way up. And then look at those countertops. They're nice and thick. That's not cheap.
No, they do not skimp. All right, let's go back through here. We're gonna get upstairs. This is an inventory home. You're not getting builder grade
Nope.
stuff here.
Absolutely
so
not.
Really nice. You do have this storage kind of coat closet.
It goes all the way under, all the way around. You've got this whole space that it goes around, so that's nice.
Now I mentioned before that they build this floor plan in 8 different communities all across Dallas, Fort Worth. Today we are in Mosaic, and this one is available now, and it's got special incentives and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in this particular house, you know, hit that dream home form. But in general, we just kind of want to show you what you can get out there and where you can build this house in case you love it.
This is a popular floor plan, and you can see why. Look at how beautiful that dining area is.
It's got the Highland hutch. Fill this thing with wine. You got all your decorations.
And they put lights in there and glass shelves. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. So this is available to build in Mosaic, which we're in right now, Cambridge Crossing, Mustang Lakes, Ridgeline and McKinney, Star Trail, Star View, The Grove, and Parks at Wilson Creek.
Nice.
Now look at this. Look
Look
at, you
at-
know how we love our beams.
We love
Look
our
at how many beams
beams.
you have in this. This is basically a Huntington.
They took your light fixtures and put 3 of them in, but bigger.
I know. And then they've got, I like how they did this. They have the cast, or it's not cast stone.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a cast stone tile.
And then they
And then they pair that up with kind of that marble big, huge tile all the way up.
See, I would never be able to do that on my own. That's what these decorators, you know, that's what they're here for, to do these beautiful
I know,
things.
that's what's sort of nice about doing these inventory homes. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
already done for you.
They do things I don't think about. I
Look at-
love the built-ins.
Yeah, you got the built-ins with the floating shelves.
You know what? Isn't there just a bathroom over here? Yeah, this is like a powder bath that goes in from the patio.
Yeah, so
it's
it could be like a pool bath or just another half bath for you.
Yeah, it's very nice. And of course, you've got the sliders. Those are awful pretty.
And look at their extra high.
I know, love that.
Yeah,
This kitchen is so nice.
it's definitely a wow factor,
Yeah,
right?
Yes.
And of course, everything is just perfect, you know, soft close, everything that you can want. You've got a 5-burner cooktop. Here you've got this is the Frigidaire Professional series. So top of the line.
Yeah, I'm trying to get everything in here. There's so much to look at. You do have a drawer and a cabinet over here. And then on this side, you can put stools if you want. So
Stools might be a little much though, don't you think?
but you could push them in when you're not using them. And then that way, you know, your kids could sit at the counter while you're making cookies at Christmas would be good.
What I love is right behind you, you've got this patio space right off of the kitchen.
Yeah, that's nice.
I mean, you could put in like a fireplace out there. I wouldn't do the outdoor kitchen there. I would do that out in the main patio. But I mean, just a sitting area with a fire pit, that is awesome. So where should we go?
I don't know. I wanted to get more of this kitchen all in because there's so much to look at.
The kitchen is definitely a huge wow.
But they do have this nice little section here.
That's where I was gonna go, right here.
It's got a pocket door so you could close it off.
It's got a little desk, and it's just like all the quartzite and all that stuff. You got floating shelves, more storage and cabinetry, and a direct access to your patio if you want.
That's great.
And then let's go over here on this side of the kitchen. And right over here, you have one of the largest snack closets you're gonna come across. I mean, that's Costco approved. That's every grocery store you could possibly think of approved. And then on the other side, you've got this room, which is your primary. And look at how big it is. Again, they did the bump out, right? Just adds a little more square footage where you can put your chairs, your lounger, whatever. You have direct access to whatever it is that you do in that patio.
To that patio, yeah, that's really nice. Would you put your hot tub out
I
there?
don't know, now I'm thinking maybe the hot tub. What do you think?
I don't know, it seems like a good option.
Yes. All right, and then you come in, obviously you've got solid core doors all the way throughout. Here is...
Look at that vanity space. I love all the drawers and everything in that.
I mean, you could put every women appliance that you got. I mean, you know, curling iron. I don't even know what you guys
Everything.
have. Straighteners, all sorts
would
of
be
weird stuff, but you
fantastic.
can have all of that.
But then look at that side. You've got the sink and then you've got all those cabinets over there. I love all the space in here.
I mean, and this is fantastic. Obviously, this is the main primary, but you've got 2 of these.
Yeah, well.
It's not quite like this, don't get me wrong, but there's something that is definitely worth checking out. And then you've got the shower. The shower is good size. I like how they have this, I mean, they just carry everything through.
Yeah,
All marble. I mean, just really top end
it's beautiful.
stuff. And then that closet.
But that closet, let's
It's got
go
all
look
the
at that.
built-ins that you can ever ask for.
So here are, I mean, you have to have a ladder in here.
You're gonna have to have a huge budget just for clothes to fill this thing
I
up.
know, look at all that. And then it goes all the way up. And then you've got hanging on this side, hanging on the other side. You've got all this over here.
See how good it looks so empty, Patrice?
I do see how good it looks empty.
See,
Much
you don't
cleaner,
have to fill
huh?
it up. You don't have to,
No,
right?
definitely don't.
Am I right?
All right, so now what's next?
Okay, we didn't even look at the media
We
room.
didn't look at the media room. There's so much to see in this one.
Yeah. And we still have to go upstairs and oh my. All right, here's the media room right off the family area. Love that. Nice sconces. It's nice and light and bright if you need it.
Oh, it's
You don't even have this light on.
It really is pretty, actually.
Yeah, it's a really nice media room. It's plumbed for it's already got the 7.1 surround sound, but you can put a projector in here, TV, whatever it is that you want to do.
Well, then you don't even have to have a TV out there because it's so close to the family area and everything. So
No, that's true.
that's nice. But wait, I'm gonna go over here really quick and I'm gonna show, so there's a powder bath, which is really nice off the media. And then you've got the laundry room right here. And you've got, that's washer, dryer, sink, all these cabinets. Great space. Really nice space right there.
I mean, this house is just absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for that house with the wow factor, I don't know what you guys think. Drop a comment below, let us know what your thoughts are. So we're gonna give you the pricing at the end. Like I mentioned before, it's 8 different communities, so pricing is gonna vary depending on, but I'm gonna put all that stuff in the description for you guys. But look at this game room. Loving this,
I do
Patrice.
love that, yeah.
I mean, it's got a built-in beverage fridge. It's got a microwave up here for those,
for the popcorn.
for the popcorn and all that good stuff. You've got a sink. I mean, this is a killer space.
Except for the media rooms downstairs, isn't
Yeah.
it? So I guess you'd be making popcorn for your game nights maybe, huh?
Yeah.
That is great though.
All right, let's go down here because down there is your second suite.
Oh, nice, okay.
So if you come in here, here's your half bath for upstairs. Here is a secondary bedroom as well. You've got a bathroom over on this side of the room with a bathtub and shower. And then you've got your walk-in closet on there.
Walk in, okay.
Yeah, you've got high ceilings, good sized room. You come over here on this side. Nice walk-in closet with your window inside of it. And then over here on this side, you have another ensuite with a bathtub, shower combo. The other thing that I like is look at this view from this particular house. You know, you can really see it when you're...
Oh yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, and you're not too far from the amenity center. Mosaic has the lazy river, so if you're interested in this particular house, then let us know. Definitely, best way to get a hold of us is always through that dream home form. Understand this though, if you do hit that dream home form, only hit that dream home form when you're ready.
And you want us to
reach out to you. Yeah, we're gonna reach out to you, and we're gonna set up a Zoom call and get the ball rolling. So we're not salespeople in the sense that we're gonna chase people down for the next year. That's not how we roll. Look at, I like this for like kind of your homework section.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty, very pretty cabinets.
And then come over here. This is something that you just don't see in a lot of homes these days, and we have a lot of clients that want 2 primaries, and that's what this is.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Right? This is a huge, oversized room.
It needs puck lights, though. It's
needs some puck lights, but you know what?
That's easy.
Yeah, that's easy enough.
Oh, look at that bathroom.
And then look at this bathroom. You've got a bathtub, a soaking tub, shower, dual sinks. And
I love the way they took all the tile all the way around. That's really pretty.
Yeah.
And then the sconces on the sides of the mirrors.
Yeah. No, this is
gorgeous. Let me see what size closet they gave you in here. Not too bad. Goes around. I don't know. This is pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Are you guys ready for the price? If you're interested in this particular house, like I said, the pricing varies all throughout every community, as you know. If you're gonna build, that sort of thing. So the pricing on this home is $1.395. This is a great opportunity. If you have any real estate needs in 2026, hit that dream home form. We are here to help you 24/7, 365. Andy and Patrice love to help you guys. And we do a video every single day at 5 p.m. Central Time, delivering all the different models, all the different floor plans that you can buy all throughout Dallas, Fort Worth from our favorite builders. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.